Every day you wake up, you get dressed, you eat breakfast, you go to work.
But in English, you don't know the words. Simple things feel hard.
How do you talk about your daily life in English?
Today, we give you 60 real English sentences. Sentences you can use every single day.
Hello everyone, I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to English Cast Duo.
This is the podcast where you don't just listen to English, you speak it.
Today's topic is your daily routine in English.
Morning, afternoon, evening. We cover it all.
These are real sentences. Simple sentences. Sentences for your real life.
This is a 2-level, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Here's how we work. First, we say a sentence. Then, you repeat it.
This is called shadowing practice. It is one of the best ways to learn to speak.
Listen, then speak. Out loud. Don't be shy.
This is a safe space. No pressure, no judgment, just real English practice with 2 real voices.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Part 1. Morning routine.
Every morning starts the same. Let's learn the words. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm.
Your turn. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed.
Your turn. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom.
Your turn. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
Your turn. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Your turn. I wash my face. I take a shower.
Your turn. I take a shower. I get dressed.
Your turn. I get dressed. I make breakfast.
Your turn. I make breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee.
Your turn. I drink a cup of coffee. I eat toast with butter.
Your turn. I eat toast with butter. I check my phone.
Your turn. I check my phone. I check the weather.
I check the weather. I pack my bag.
Your turn. I pack my bag. I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
Your turn. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. You did great. Seriously. Those are 15 real sentences. Sentences for every morning.
You're doing very well.
If you are still with us right now, that matters.
Most people stop. But you are still here. That tells us something important about you.
You are serious about learning, and we are serious about helping you.
Let's keep going.
Part 2, getting to work or school.
Every day, millions of people travel. Let's learn how to talk about it. I walk to the bus stop.
Your turn. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work.
Your turn. I take the bus to work. I drive to work.
Your turn. I drive to work. I take the subway.
Your turn. I take the subway. The train is late today.
Your turn. The train is late today. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock.
Your turn. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I say good morning to my colleagues.
Your turn. I say good morning to my colleagues. I sit down at my desk.
Your turn. I sit down at my desk. I turn on my computer.
Your turn. I turn on my computer. I check my emails.
Your turn. I check my emails. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Your turn. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Your turn. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat lunch with a friend.
Your turn. I eat lunch with a friend. I take a short break.
Your turn. I take a short break. I go back to work after lunch.
Your turn. I go back to work after lunch.
Well done. You just learned 15 more sentences.
These are sentences for your daily life in English. Real sentences. Practical sentences.
Let's pause for one moment.
Learning a language is hard. We know that.
Some days you feel tired. Some days the words don't come.
That is normal. That is part of the journey.
But you are here. You are practicing. And that makes all the difference.
Let's do part 3.
Part 3, the afternoon.
The day is not finished. Let's keep going. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Your turn. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I pack up my things.
Your turn. I pack up my things. I say goodbye to my colleagues.
Your turn. I say goodbye to my colleagues. I go home.
Your turn. I go home. I stop at the supermarket.
Your turn. I stop at the supermarket. I buy some groceries.
Your turn. I buy some groceries. I get home at 6 o'clock.
Your turn. I get home at 6 o'clock. I change into comfortable clothes.
Your turn. I change into comfortable clothes. I rest for a little while.
Your turn. I rest for a little while. I cook dinner.
Your turn. I cook dinner. I order food online.
Your turn. I order food online. I eat dinner with my family.
Your turn. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day.
Your turn. We talk about our day. I help my children with homework.
Your turn. I help my children with homework. I wash the dishes.
Your turn. I wash the dishes.
Amazing. You are doing amazing.
We are almost at the end. One more part. Let's finish strong. You've been practicing for almost 10 minutes now.
That is not easy, but you did not stop.
You didn't stop at part 1. You didn't stop at part 2. And you are still here at part 3.
That proves something. You have resilience. You have determination.
We are proud of you. Now, part 4.
Part 4. The evening.
The day is almost over. These are the last sentences. Make them count. I watch TV after dinner.
Your turn. I watch TV after dinner. I watch a movie on my phone.
Your turn. I watch a movie on my phone and I call my family.
Your turn. I call my family. I read a book before bed.
Your turn. I read a book before bed. I take a bath.
Your turn. I take a bath. I brush my teeth before bed.
Your turn. I brush my teeth before bed. I set my alarm for tomorrow.
Your turn. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I turn off the lights.
Your turn. I turn off the lights. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Your turn. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I feel tired but happy.
Your turn. I feel tired but happy. I fall asleep quickly.
Your turn. I fall asleep quickly. Tomorrow, I will do it all again.
Your turn. Tomorrow, I will do it all again.
Congratulations! You have completed the full practice.
You just practiced 60 real English sentences for your daily life in English.
Morning, commute, afternoon, evening. You did all of it.
We are proud of you. Seriously. You showed up today. You practiced. That matters.
Now, tell us in the comments, What time do you wake up in the morning? Write it in English.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
If this video helped you, please like it and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe to English Cast Duo so you never miss a new episode.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
See you in the next episode. Keep shining and keep learning.